What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking in from SeaWorld Orlando, but first we're actually checking in from the storage lot for what will be Infinity Falls, and we can see right here some major progress with the crane. So finally some changes. We can expect some of the steel to show up very soon. And what is this that I see? Adina. So another delivery, and this right here is a storage bin full of tools and parts. And Adina is the company that builds a lot of rides like Cheetah Hunt, Falcon's Fury, pretty much anything Intamin. And this crane right here is going to be used for the heavy lifting for all the steel that is about to arrive pretty much any day now for Infinity Falls. And there's something way in the back over there, probably some bolts, parts, things like that, but hey, at least we have a delivery. Enough over here at the storage lot, let's head inside the park. Here we are now, ladies and gentlemen, back at SeaWorld Orlando. One thing I did want to note is the parking lot was actually surprisingly full, considering the holidays are gone, and so should a lot of the guests. It was actually a little bit busy. Hopefully the park is not that way though. One of the first things that I noticed is right outside the ticket booth we have Journey to Atlantis. It's closed for maintenance right now. Well, the wait to get through security and ticketing was non-existent, and we are on our way inside the park now. And of course we have to check up on our friends in the Dolphin Nursery. They're having a little fun today.
Dolphin? Look, buddy. Right there. You're right there.
Of course, we have to check and see if the Sky Tower is open for our Infinity Falls construction update, and indeed it is. See? Open in only 10 minutes. And they still are doing where the pass holders are free, but admission is $2. Now, it actually seems to be working out for them, and it's making them some money. There's a little bit of proof that it's operating for you, and something a little bit different. The entrance for the ride is now over here next to the bar. So yeah, change it up a little bit. We go around this way. Now, one thing that does miff me is literally a week ago, I was able to ride this multiple times with the pass that I had. And well, now this week they're saying I have to pay. Not cool. The Three Kings Festival may be over, but we still have some of the booths set up here. And I'm wondering if we're gonna have some other stuff come very soon. Let's check up on the construction site a little bit, shall we? One very noticeable thing is the wall has been pushed way out into the midway now. There's not a lot of walking room, as opposed to there was, well, another 10 feet that direction. Of course, with the midway a little bit smaller now, that's going to present an issue when, well, one ocean gets out, like right now, as that is going to be a little bit of a bottleneck. Just like the sign out front said, Journey to Atlantis is closed for a little maintenance, and that's a good thing considering it's kind of cold here in Florida today. There's still one question that remains. Will Journey to Atlantis get any more additional theming? Many months ago we heard that that was possible. Hopefully when this reopens we might see a couple changes. Only noticeable changes that I can see so far is a lift over here with a little bit of irrigation piping, it looks like, and the lake is drained. That's it. Kraken Unleashed. 65 minutes. Ouch. And just for your information, yes, they are still enforcing the 58-inch height requirement for VR.
Big traffic explorers and beware the Kraken.
gordo! Ay, nada más imagínense la clase de caída que es. Con este frío. Ay, madre, está lanzando muy feo, madre. Es muy feo esa vara. Ay, Dios mío. Ay, Dios mío. Ay, Alejandra. Ay, Alejandra. Alejandra, Alejandra. Ay, Alejandra. Alejandra. Ay. Uy, vea qué cajo de caída, madre.
Well, guys, that is going to do it for another SeaWorld Orlando Infinity Falls construction update, and I am very pleased to say that we should have the first couple of parts arriving sometime in the next week. Of course, Adina, the people that put everything together, well, they are here now. So all the pieces are coming together. I am going to say I'm not too happy with the change for Sky Tower. Again, last week I was able to do that 4 different times with the pass that I have, and this week things have changed. So we'll see what we're going to do in terms of our updates, but I really don't want to pay $2 every single time that I come to this park to have to do the Sky Tower. But we will be doing more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and we will see you out on the Midway.